So Shloka 84, it goes this way. Shrutinam murdhanah dadhati tavayau shekharataya mamapyetau matah shirasi dayaya dhehi charanau yayoh padyam pathah pashupati jata juta tatini yayorlaksha lakshmihi Arunaharichudamaniruchihi. Please do group chanting.
Shrutinam dadhati tavayau shekharataya mamapyetau matah sirasi dayaya charanau yayo padyam patah pashupati jatajuta tatini yayorlaksha lakshmi arunaharichudamaniruchihi.
So Shrutis, in their head, they are wearing Devi's feet. What does that mean? They are at Devi's feet. For Shruti means Vedas. So they are at her feet. They are wearing Devi's feet in their head. And she is also wearing Shekhara, means like Alankara. That's why Chandra Shekhara means our Shambhu has that Chandra Vanka as an Alankara. So Shrutina Murdhanaha Tavayau Shekharataya, like an Alankara Padam. Mama api, Shrutis are doing that, wearing you on their head. So now may you put your feet on my head also. Mama api etau mataha, oh my mother, please shirasi, mama shirasi, dayaya, with compassion, dehi, please put it on my head also. Like that we requested Devi. And we also saw how like Arghyam, Padyam, like that. Here for Padyam, it is Ganga. And Ganga is coming from Pashupati Jata Juta Tatini. And then our Hari is also somehow bowing down to Devi because his Chudamani that he is wearing is giving redness to Devi's feet. How? Only he is wearing it in his Kiritam. And if Devi's feet is getting redness, that radiance from his Chudamani, that means he is bowing down to Devi too. All right. So 85th shloka is a very chamatkara shloka. Chamatkara in the sense, there is a celestial heaven called Pramadavana, like Nandanavana. Pramadavana is a celestial heaven. And there is a tree called Kankeli. That tree blooms only by the touch of a pativrata. So that means only when Devi walks in that vana, the blooming happens. So now Shambhu, looking at the tree, he is a bit jealous. You attain by, you go to fruition or flowering with the touch of her feet. I want that touch too. I want to bloom too, kind of thing Shambhu is thinking. But she being Pativrata, will she go and put her feet on Shambhu? She will not do that. So now Shambhu wished for it, but we'll see what will happen. In this, he is Asuya. He has the jealousy over that Kankeli Taru, that it is getting the touch of Devi's feet. Shambhu has jealous now. Poets can give jealousy to Shambhu also. All right. Amma, Nitya, you ready? So the shloka goes this way. Namo vakam brumaha nayanaramaniyaya padayoho tavasmai dvandvaya sputaruchira salakta kavate asuyatyantam yadabhihananaya sprihayate पशूनामीशानः ಪ್ರಮದವನ ಕಂಕೇಲಿತರವೇ. ಅಸೂಯ ನಾಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್, ಅತ್ಯಂತಂ ಅಸೂಯ. ಅಸೂಯತ್ಯತ್ ಅತ್ಯಂತಂ. ಅಸೂಯತಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತಂ. ನಮೋ ವಾಕಂ ಬ್ರೂಮಃ.
ನಮೋ ವಾಕಂ ಬ್ರೂಮಃ.
ನಯನರಮಣೀಯಾಯ ಪದಯೋಃ.
ನಯನರಮಣೀಯಾಯ ಪದಯೋಃ.
So the sa from the second line is becoming visarga at the end of the first line. Namo vakam brumah nayanaramaniyaya padayoh.
ನಮೋ ವಾಕಂ ಬ್ರೂಮಃ ನಯನರಮಣೀಯಾಯ ಪದಯೋಃ.
Tavasmai dvandvaya.
ತವಾಸ್ಮೈ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಾಯ.
स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते.
ಸ್ಫುಟರುಚಿರಸಾಲಕ್ತಕವತೆ.
Beautiful. Tavasmai dvandvaya स्फुटिरुचिरसालक्तकवते.
ತವಾಸ್ಮೈ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಾಯ ಸ್ಫುಟರುಚಿರಸಾಲಕ್ತಕವತೆ. ಸ್ಫುಟರುಚಿರಸಾಲಕ್ತಕವತೆ.
Beautiful. Namo vakam brumah nayanaramaniyaya padayoh. Tavasmai dvandvaya स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते.
ನಮೋ ವಾಕಂ ಬ್ರೂಮಃ ನಯನರಮಣೀಯಾಯ ಪದಯೋಃ. ತವಾಸ್ಮೈ ದ್ವಂದ್ವಾಯ ಸ್ಫುಟರುಚಿರಸಾಲಕ್ತಕವತೆ.
असूयत्यत्यन्तम्.
ಅಸೂಯತ್ಯತ್ಯಂತಂ.
यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते.
ಯದಭಿಹನನಾಯ ಸ್ಪೃಹಯತೆ.
असूयत्यत्यन्तम् यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते.
ಅಸೂಯತ್ಯತ್ಯಂತಂ ಅಸೂಯತ್ ಅತ್ಯಂತಂ ಯದಭಿಹನನಾಯ ಸ್ಪೃಹಯತೆ.
असूयत् न असूयति, अत्यन्तं is becoming असूयत्यत्यन्तं. या भी अस्ति.
ಅಸೂಯತ್ಯತ್ಯಂತಂ ಯದಭಿಹನಾಯ ಸ್ಪೃಹಯತೆ.
यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते. One more na.
ಯದಭಿಹನನಾಯ ಸ್ಪೃಹಯತೆ.
पशूनामीशानः.
ಪಶೂನಾಮೀಶಾನಃ.
प्रमदवन कंकेलितरवे.
ಪ್ರಮದವನ ಕಂಕೇಲಿತರವೇ.
पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवन कंकेलितरवे.
ಪಶೂನಾಮೀಶಾನಃ ಪ್ರಮದವನ ಕಂಕೇಲಿತರವೇ.
असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते. पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवन कंकेलितरवे.
ಅಸೂಯತ್ಯತ್ಯಂತಂ ಯದಭಿಹನನಾಯ ಸ್ಪೃಹಯತೆ. ಪಶೂನಾಮೀಶಾನಃ ಪ್ರಮದವನ ಕಂಕೇಲಿತರವೇ.
नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः. तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते. असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते. पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवन कंकेलितरवे.
नमो वाकं ब्रूमः नयनरमणीयाय पदयोः तवास्मै द्वन्द्वाय स्फुटरुचिरसालक्तकवते असूयत्यत्यन्तं यदभिहननाय स्पृहयते पशूनामीशानः प्रमदवनकङ्केलितरवे.
Beautiful.
Akka cut out. This second line, is it Sphuta or Sputa?
Sphuta.
Mahaprana.
Mahaprana asti tatra.
Okay, thanks.
All right, let's do group chanting.
Namo Vakam Brumaha Nayanaramaniyaya Padayoho Stavasmi Dvandvaya Sphutaruchirasalaktakavate Asuyatyantam Yedabhihananaya Sprihayate Pashunamishanaha Pramadavana
It is so funny. I heard only Chandana's. The rest of them is like I heard only one syllable there, one syllable here. Not your fault. I think the internet might have given me only Chandana's packets here. And they're all good. So looks like you all did good. So please make sure Sphuta is Mahaprana and Yadabhi Hananaya. The will get Mahaprana if you are not careful. Please make sure Bha gets the Mahaprana Tatra. And Asuyat Yatyantam. One Ya will be missing. So please make sure you will have Asuyati Atyantam is becoming Asuyat Yatyantam. All right. So now we will go to 86th shloka. Now, if people like us wish for something very sincerely, it will happen. Now, when Shambhu wished for it, something like that should happen, right? He will also get Devi's touch of her feet. So, we are going to go to Devi's inner quarters. Shambhu and Devi are having some intimate conversation. And then Shambhu made a grave mistake. Instead of calling her Gauri in an intimate time, he called Ganga. What a grave mistake he had made. And then he is suddenly ashamed that he made a mistake. So then he is so ashamed. He is like Namitam, Vailaksha Namitam. He is so ashamed. So he is going and begging Devi, pardon me. And Devi is like, don't talk to me. Like that, it will be there, right? So she gently pushed her feet away and it went and touched Shambhu's lalata. Now his, Sri Krishna Satyabhama Kalapam, there is a beautiful story where Krishna goes and begs Satyabhama. This happens when Nandanavanam, again Pramadavanam has to come into picture for that also. Narada Maharshi, he brings only one flower, only one parijatam from Nandanavanam and gives it to Krishna when he was with Rukmini and he gave it to Rukmini. Now the news came that Rukmini got the celestial flower, not me. And Satyabhama, she is epitome of pride that she is beautiful, she is that, she is this, like that. So now she is little bit jealous that I am the one who should get. How did she get it? Now she goes and she is a little sad. And Krishna, being the he shows to the world, there is nothing wrong in holding the feet of your wife when you made a mistake or when you want to somehow you want her to be soothed. When it comes to these are the examples of our universal parents also showing when it comes to the intimate relationship, there is no you are more than me, I am more than you is not there. It's like you make a mistake, you make a mistake. You go and fall on their feet, doesn't matter this one male or female. Now Shambhu is doing that to Devi, saying, please, please, I think it's just a mistake. Gotras Kalanam happened. Means he spoke other name by mistake. I always, I come from a family of 5 sisters. I'm the youngest. My mother, like Ashtottara Shatanamavali, it will start. When if she wants to call me, my oldest sister name will start. And all those names are La, Shri, Ra, and all that. Where is Pa and where is La? But she will start with that and somehow end up with my name after a long time. And I will be like, my name is, I will have to, I used to get so angry when I was a little kid. Like, how can you call me all other names and somehow you will end up, only if my 4th sister name comes, then my name will come. But Bhagavan, I think he will give everybody a good lesson. So my sister's kids, Pranati, Pranava, and Pusha happen to me whenever they come in summer. I have to call their names so many times. Now, Pranati, Pranava, Pusha, Savita, how it happens, I get confused here and there, and then I will be thinking, Amma, now I know, now I know what you might have gone through. You had practice for 17 years calling their names, then I popped up. What will happen? No practice for my name as much as you had for their names. So, ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति te. Tadayati means like that a little beating happened when he is bowing down like that. So now Manmatha, who had been waiting for a long time to take revenge on Shambhu, now when Devi touched Lalata of Shambhu, just like that with her feet, when he is bowing down, that kili that happened, that her anklets will make that sound. That sound looked like our Manmatha is laughing at Shambhu with glee. You got what you deserved, kind of thing. Kili kiliti Mishana Ripuna. Ishana Ripuna is our Manmatha. Now, when Devi's anklets made the jingle of touching Shambhu's lalatam, then our Tula Koti Kwanaihi, that jingle sounded like Kili Kili Timi Shana Ripuna. Kili means Kili means laughing with glee. It's like, you got what you deserved. Like that, when we are saying, there is that almost evil satisfaction that, I'm happy that this happened to you, like that. Poets, out of intimacy, how they can make a pativrata also somehow fit into the thing where Shambhu is getting what he wished for in the previous shloka. The shloka goes this way. मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा. Chiradantashalyam. From a long time he is waiting. Manmatha is waiting. And he enjoyed this incident. That. All right. Amma Bhargavi, you ready? Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalana.
Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalana.
Now we are going to do Gotraskhalana Matha Vailakshanamitam. Gotraskhalana Matha Vailakshanamitam.
Gotraskhalana Matha Vailakshanamitam.
Risha Kritva Gotraskhalana Matha Vailakshanamitam.
Mrisha Kritva Gotraskhalanam Matha Vailakshanamitam.
Lalate Bhartaram
ललाटे भर्तारम्
चरणकमले ताडयति ते
चरणकमले ताडयति ते
ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते
ललाटे भर्तारम् चरणकमले ताडयति ते
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारम् चरणकमले ताडयति ते
चिरादन्तशल्यम्
चिरादन्तशल्यम्
महाप्राण नास्ति तत्र चिरादन्तशल्यम्
चिरादन्तशल्यम्
दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता
दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता
चिरादन्तशल्यम् दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता
चिरादन्तशल्यम् दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता
तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः
तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः
किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
Devi might be wondering, Appa Shankara, how much talent you have. Never will I touch my, I will do that to my Shambhu, but the way you described it, I might have done it. Tulakoti kwanaihi kilikilitamishana
तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
चिरादन्तशल्यम् दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
It is almost like Manmata is claiming victory again. It's like, oh, if sometimes it's like Vairi, when somebody else is fighting, if it is your enemy and they lost with somebody else, it feels like you defeated them. So Manmata is having that feeling, no, that somehow Shambhu is defeated, claiming victory over Shambhu like this. We'll do all four. मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यनमितं ललाटे भर्तारं चरणकमले ताडयति ते चिरादन्तशल्यं दहनकृतमुन्मूलितवता तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किलिकिलितमीशानरिपुणा
Beautiful. Let's do group chanting.
मृषा कृत्वा गोत्रस्खलनमथ वैलक्ष्यमितं
वैलक्ष्यमथ
ललाटे
वैलक्ष्यमितं
भर्तारं चरणकमले
ललाटे
ताडयति
भर्तारं
ते
चरणकमले ताडयति
निरादन्तशल्यं नमनकृतमुन्नाटं तुलाकोटिक्वाणैः किरीटैशानरिपुना
किरीटैशानरिपुना
Mruna, kruna. So please make sure the ritvam is ritvam eva and no u sound. Mrushana, krutvana, kritva, mrisha, like that. And gotra skhalana, matha, ututha. Skhalana means slip. So it has to be Kiritam. When we did in the shloka, Amma, you might slip, be careful. Jahi Jambhari Makutam, when we are saying Skhalana means slipping. So there is a beautiful shloka that there is a beautiful YouTube that I will send about the Satyabhama Kalapam. How in that episode, now that Satyabhama is so angry with Krishna, when he comes and knocks on her door, she doesn't open the door. And Krishna is saying, I am so and so, please open the door. Then in Sanskritam, there is something called Nana Artha, right? So each word means different things. So if it is like Aham Hari, come open the door, then he will say, Hari, oh Kapiva, like that. Oh, you are a monkey, are you coming? Like that. She will, for every word, the Nana Artham will be there. So towards the end, he will say, I'm your dasa, can you please open, like that. So I'll share that. It is so beautiful how the poets play with the Nana Arthas and make that beautiful episode. Astu? So 87th is a very beautiful shloka too. Charana Kamalam. Anytime when we are talking about Devi's feet, lotus feet eva. Charana Kamalam eva. So generally, Kamalam, the lotus has few attributes. When it needs sun to be radiant. The minute sun goes down, Kamalam also goes down. So, and then it needs little bit of tropical climate, not snowy mountain weather climate. But Devi's Charana Kamalam, where is it? Kailash. When we are talking about Manas Sarovar, Kailash, is it like South India, 100 degrees? No, it is cold temperature. But still Devi's feet, they are acclimatized to that. And then is it at night time Devi is not bestowing any wishes to anybody? No, it's not like that. Her feet bestow grace day, night, doesn't matter. So when it comes to her Charana Kamalam, the actual Kamalam, stands no chance to be compared because her feet, it doesn't matter if it is snowy, it doesn't matter if it is day or night, and there is no time limit on bestowing the grace to her devotees. So if Devi's Charana Kamalam wins over the Kamalam, Jayati, Chitram, Ihakim, what is there to be surprised? Of course, Devi's feet is Devi's feet, like that. The shloka goes this way. Himani hantavyam himagirini vasaika chaturau nishayam nidranam nishicharam bhage cha vishadau varam lakshmi patram shriyamati srijantau samayinam sarojam tvatpadau janani jayataschitramih kim. All right. Amma, Chandana Tulasi, you ready?
Akka, you're missing me, Akka, all the time.
Oh, I am going with the order, Amma. I will come
But
to you.
yesterday I didn't get a chance at all.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The order is like if after both Chandanas, it's me.
Okay. Today, actually, you are like that only on my screen.
Yeah, somehow yesterday I didn't get
Okay.
a chance at all.
We'll do it today. Anyway, it's
You want to go, Madhu? You can go.
Oh, that's fine. I just want to make sure I get a chance today.
yes, yes. Devi's feet. Everybody will get a chance. This is like first pot. We have to get that. Astu. Chandana, you ready?
Yes, Akka.
So
Yeah.
sweet of you to offer it to Madhu. Very good.
No, no. Okay.
All right. Himani hantavyam.
Himani hantavyam.
In India, they used to call all these moisturizer creams snow. You remember that?
Hmm.
And one of the names is Himani. I did not know Himani means they're talking about the actual snow there. The name is coming from Sanskritam. Himani Hantavyam.
Himani hantavyam.
Himagiri Nivasaika Chaturau.
Himagiri nivasaika chaturau.
Himani Hantavyam. Himagiri Nivasaika Chaturau.
Himani hantavyam. Himagiri nivasaika chaturau.
I was actually imagining Vani Akka laughing when Madhu said I did not get my chance. She is Bala Devi's student. They are very organized when it comes to who gets the chance. They have a spreadsheet. They will actually go through who should do after whom. And if somebody misses it, they will say, you missed this. Like, now I'm like going according to my screen and all that. And Kili Kili the Misha and Ripuna like that. Vani Akka is going like, Abba, this is how Pravina is.
Sorry, I brought it because before also you missed me a couple of times, Akka.
Astu, astu. Yeah, I was thinking, I was imagining Vani Akka because of the previous shloka effect. Some Kili Kili should happen somewhere, right? Astu.
Madhu, if you are late, we will not get a chance because Akka goes by screen, right? Screen names.
Yeah, 5:07. Anybody comes at 5:05, 5:07, I'm going
No,
to.
no,
Akka, I was
I
laughing.
make sure I log in at 5, even if I don't turn on
Today
video.
actually Madhu came early. I think what's
Yeah,
happening
she
is,
was the second one.
one more thing that is happening is if somebody is oning their video and offing
Yeah.
their video. When that happens, my tiles get shifted. I go in this
Oh.
order and then they are getting shifted.
Okay, sometimes I turn off my video because I have to let my dog out. She will be like coming and
Maybe.
asking me, please open the door. So I have to turn off the video at that moment. I think maybe because of that, it is changing the order.
Now
I
we
got
will
it
say Shunaka is the problem. Astu. The second line, Amma, Chandana. Nishayam nidranam.
Nishayam nidranam.
Nishicharam bhage cha vishadau.
Nishicharam bhage vishadau.
Oh.
Bhage cha vishadau.
Nishi means night. Charama bhage means towards the end. Nishicharam bhage cha vishadau.
Nishicharam bhage cha vishadau.
We will not know about Nishi Charama Bhaga because we will be in our deep sleep. Brahma Muhurtam will not wake up, right?
Akka is Charama Bhaga is under feet or?
No. And generally Charamankam, generally when somebody is in their old age, we'll say they have reached Charama Anka. Anka means stage. Charamankam of their life, like time to become Panchatvam, like that. Charama means end, but Charama Bhaga you can also take it as feet, because if you're going from top to bottom, Charama Bhaga in your body is your
Feet.
under the bottom part of the feet. If you take it as the Charama Bhaga of the body, it becomes the feet. If you take the if you take the night Charama Bhaga, it is like the towards the end of the night jam, like that.
Akka, here they used word cha, right? Like if we have like more than one word, they use cha, right? Here, like Nishayam, is that Nishayam, Nidranam, those are the more, multiple words
No,
there?
no,
Or
no. Here it is one. It has that lotus. One is it will go down at night, and also the mountain snow. The snow and the night can make the lotus wither. But your Charana Kamalam has no such problems like that. So the cha is coming for the night and also snow.
oh, okay. Here is a
Yeah.
noun, a word for that, not
Yeah,
like
it need not be the cha in shlokas when it is used. Generally, we say Ramaha cha, Lakshmanaha cha. If we say Ramaha, Lakshmanaha cha, like that, cha will be towards the end, saying A, B, cha, like that.
yeah.
But when it comes to shloka, there is no particular order. It can be used anywhere. We will have to do something called anvaya. We will look for the right place where it will go in the puzzle and put it there.
Oh, okay.
In shloka,
Thanks, Akka.
yeah, the order. This is the beauty of Sanskritam because Ravana was killed by Rama. That sentence, no matter how you move it around in Sanskritam, Ramena, Ravana, Hatam. If you take that, Ramena is by Rama is in one only. So it is not. In English, if you change Rama and Ravana's place, meaning is utterly wrong. But in Sanskritam, it's not like that. So now in shloka, they will use different words in different places to meet the meter. And there is something called anvayam that we do. We will make a sentence out of the shloka afterwards.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Himani hantavyam himagirinivasaikachaturav nishayam nidranam nishicharamabhage cha vishadau.
हिमानी हन्तव्यम् हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायां निद्राणम् निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रम्
श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनाम्
श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनाम्
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनाम्
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनाम्
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ
जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
Janani means oh mother, like that he's calling her. Sarojam tvatpadau janani jayataschitramiha kim.
सरोजं
Tvatpadau
सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
param lakshmi patram shriyamati srujantau samayinam sarojam tvatpadau janani jayataschitramiha kim.
वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनाम् सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्
Chitram iha kim, like that. What is so strange about it? That your lotus feet win Jayati. Chitram iha kim. There is no chitram in that. No surprise there. Because your lotus feet surpasses anything. Himani hantavyam himagirinivasaikachaturav nishayam nidranam निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
हिमानी हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायां निद्राणं निशिचरमभागे च विशदौ वरं लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
Beautiful. Let's do group chanting.
हिमानि
हन्तव्यं हिमगिरिनिवासैकचतुरौ निशायां
निशायां
निद्राणं
निद्राणं
निशिचरमभागे च
चरमभागे
विशदौ
विष्टौ
वरं
लक्ष्मीपात्रं
लक्ष्मीपात्रं श्रियमतिसृजन्तौ समयिनां सरोजं त्वत्पादौ
जननि
जननि जयतश्चित्रमिह किम्.
Srujantau na. Utvam na. Ritvam, please make sure your ritvam is in place. And Tvatpadau in the fourth line, Sarojam Tvatpadau, Tatna Tvatpadau. All right. We'll go to the next shloka. This is a beautiful shloka taking us to the episode of Devi's wedding. In South Indian marriages, weddings, you will see this. Where in the wedding, the pada pedanam will be there, where the husband will have to step on the woman's feet, literally. And in that pada pedanam, when that is happening, it is both will do. Probably this is a way of saying in your life you will have to do this all the time. Be prepared. But our Shankara is saying, Amma, your feet are so delicate. How did Shambhu have the heart to do the pada pedanam in your wedding, huh? How did he have daya nastiva? Like that he is asking her. How did he do that? And all the poets generally, when they are comparing a beautiful foot, they will say the top of the foot is like the shell of a tortoise. So they are saying the shell of a tortoise is so hard. What are those kavis thinking? How can they compare that with your top of the foot, Amma? How soft, how delicate it is. Just because the shape is there, will they compare it like that? Nah, they should not. Like that he is saying it. In Lalita Sahasranamam, there is a namam for her foot. Kurma Prushtha Jaishnu Prapadanvita. Kurma Prushtha. Kurma is our tortoise. Kurma Prushtha. And he is saying na. But that is the name. Kathina Kamathi Karparatulam. Kathina, there is. How can it be like that? And then he's also playing with these words. This is called the Vrittanuprasa, where the same word is Shabdalankaram. Padam, Prapada, Vipada, Apada, like that. He is using the word Pada. So if we go to Devi's Pada, Apada will go away. Vipattu or Vipada will go away. Sampada will come to us. This is the beauty of that Pada. All right. Amma Madhu, enjoy the Devi's feet. Come.
I thought it's the other Chandra.
Oh, did I say Chandana now or did I say Madhu?
You said me, Madhu.
Oh, okay, good. There is no order anymore. We are
Okay.
Both the Chandanas are done, Madhu.
Okay. Oh, I just know.
Now Devi came. Towards the end, Devi comes and then the screen again got altered. Now I'll have to
I'm so sorry, Akka. I overslept. I didn't know. I was like, all this time I slept in the couch because I couldn't get up from the bed. Yesterday, one day I thought like, okay, I'll sleep in the bed just one day, and then it messed up. I'm so sorry.
Ayyo. No worries at all.
So I
Amma,
have
Madhu?
is the screen freezing 1 or 2 times? Today did it freeze 1 or 2 times?
Well, we are talking about Himani, so freezing should happen. We went to the mountains.
Yeah, that time only it happened actually. That's how come it happened twice. So I was wondering if it's happening for all of you.
Oh God, we froze because we went to the mountains.
Yeah, Nitya, it's happening. It
It is
had
happening.
couple of times. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Do you
okay.
want me to reconnect to the internet, or is my audio
No,
okay?
Akka. Yeah,
No.
now it's
No,
okay, Akka.
fine.
It's coming
So
once in a
I
while, it
didn't
goes up
see
and down.
I didn't see any interruptions with the audio though.
Hmm.
And I wasn't looking at the screen that much, but
Okay.
No interruption with
Because of
audio.
phone,
You did
I don't.
not come to the mountains with us, huh?
Yes.
All right. Amma, you ready, Madhu? The shloka
Yeah,
goes
Akka.
this way. पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलां कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा यदा दायान्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा Hmm? How nicely we can take sides of Shambhu and Devi here. It is so beautiful. Did Shambhu did not have the kindness in his heart? How could he step on your feet like that? Padam te kirtinam
Padante kirtinam
prapadamapadam devi vipadam.
pramadamapadam devi vipadam.
So he is calling her Devi, short. Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam.
Padante kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam.
Katham neetam sadbhihi.
Katham neetam sadbihi
The also sadbhihi.
sadbihi
Kathina kamathi karparatulam.
katina kamati katina kamati karparatulam.
So there is a good chance Ka will get Mahaprana. Make sure only Tha gets the Mahaprana. Kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Katina kamari katina kamari kamati
Kamarina. Kamarityukti waste.
Something is not correct here.
Kamathi.
Katina kamati karparatulam.
Katham neetam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam.
Katham neetam sadbihi kathina kamati karparatulam.
So the beauty is in Sanskritam, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa are called karusha. Karkasha vyanjana. Karkasha means hard. Now he is talking about the hardness of the shell. He is using karkasha vyanjana eva. Kathina kamathi karparatulam. If you see it from that perspective also, he could use so many other words, but he is using kathina words only. अस्तु पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलाम्.
Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam te vipadam कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमटीकर्परतुलाम्
Khatina is happening. Kathina should happen.
कठिन
Yeah.
कमटीकर्परतुलाम्.
Khatina is happening. Kathina should happen.
I'm stressing ka there. Okay. Kathina कमटीकर्परतुलाम्.
Samyak. So we'll do third one. Katham va bahubhyam.
कथं वा बाहुभ्यां.
So bahubhyam, and in some scripts you will see panibhyam also. Both are same, and there is no interruption to the meter. So both mean the same. Bahu, pani, hand seva. Katham va bahubhyam.
कथं वा बाहुभ्याम्.
Upayamana kale purabhida.
उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा.
कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा.
कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा.
Make sure your ka is simple eva, alpa prana eva. Khale na kale.
काले.
यदा दायन्यस्तं
यदादाय न्यस्तं
दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा.
दृशति दयमानेन मनसा.
यदा दायान्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा.
दयादाय न्यस्तं दृशति दयमानेन मनसा.
कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा. यदा दायन्यस्तं दृशदि दयमानेन मनसा.
कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिधा. यदादाय न्यस्तं दृशति दयमानेन मनसा.
Beautiful. We do all four. Padam te kirtinam prapadamapadam devi vipadam katham neetam sadbhihi kathina kamathi karparatulam katham va bahubhyam upayamana kale purabhida yada dayanyastam drishadi dayamanena manasa.
पदं ते कीर्तीनां प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां कथं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमटीकर्परतुलाम्. कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिधा. यदादाय न्यस्तं दृशति दयमानेन मनसा.
So in this shloka, all the syllables are right, meaning pada, all are happening, but mahapranas are happening in the wrong places, Madhu. So you have to make sure the ka, the, and ta and tha, all these get the right mahapranas. All right. Group chanting, please.
Padam te kirtinam
प्रपदमपदं देवि विपदां
कदं नीतं सद्भिः कठिनकमठीकर्परतुलाम् कथं वा बाहुभ्याम् उपयमनकाले पुरभिदा. यदा दायन्यस्तं
दृशदि
दयमानेन
मनसा.
Please make sure your kathina, kamathi, karparatulam happens properly. All right. Amma Madhu, take the next shloka also.
Thank you, Akka.
So this is a beautiful, beautiful shloka. Anytime you say the name Chandi for Devi, the results are Sajja Prasadini. She is very quick in giving the result. So in this shloka, he is Adi Shankaracharya very rightfully says, Amma, Kalpavruksha, Kamadhenu, celestial objects and all these, they are all ridiculed in comparison with how quickly your lotus feet can bestow prosperity to the ones bowing down to you. Even Kalpavruksha is no match. Hasata ivate Chandi Charanao. Oh Chandi, he is calling her Chandi in this. Chandi Charanao, her feet. When it comes to fulfilling the desires of her devotees or the ones who is bowing down to her, anhaya means quickly, and Shriyam Anisham means limitless. In the fourth line you will see Anisham, limitless. Anhaya means very quickly. Sajja Prasadini, Kshipra Prasadini, like that, very quickly. Chandi Charanam, Devi's feet. Hasata Ivate Chandi Charanam. Which one? Tarunam Divyanam, which is Kalparuksha. Even Kalparuksha is ridiculed when it comes to the comparison between you and the celestial objects. Astu? Amma Madhu, the shloka goes this way. Nakhairnakastrinam karakamala sankocha shashibhihi tarunam divyanam hasata ivate chandi charanau phalani swasthebhyah kisalayakaragrena dadatam daridrebhyo bhadram Shriyamanishamanhaya dadatau Nakhairnakastrinam
Nakhairnakas.
Nakhairnakastrinam.
Make sure the kha Mahaprana, nakha means nail, naka means swargam. So make sure your khas are landing at the right place. Nakhairnakastrinam
Nakhairnakastrinam.
Karakamala sankocha shashibhihi.
Karakamala sankocha shashibhihi.
Visarga from the next line. The sa is becoming visarga in the first line towards the end. Nakhairnakastrinam karakamala sankocha shashibhihi.
Nakhairnakastrinam karakamala sankocha shashibhihi.
Tarunam divyanam
Tarunam divyanam.
hasata ivate chandi charanau.
Hasata ivate chandi charanau.
Tarunam.
Second line, first word is this tarunam, right?
Tarunam.
Is it tarunam? Because
Tarunam.
ha అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది కాబట్టి
సా వెళ్ళింది త ఉంటుంది తరుణాం దివ్యానాం హసత ఇవతే చండి చరణౌ
తరుణాం దివ్యానాం హసత ఇవతే చండి చరణౌ
ఫలాని స్వస్థేభ్యః
ఫలాని స్వస్థేభ్యః
కిసలయకరాగ్రేణ దదతాం
కిసలయకరాగ్రేణ దదతాం
ఫలాని స్వస్థేభ్యః కిసలయకరాగ్రేణ దదతాం
ఫలాని స్వస్థేభ్యః కిసలయకరాగ్రేణ किसलयकराग्रेण ददताम्
दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्राम्
दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्राम्
श्रियमनिशमन्हाय ददतौ
श्रियमणि शमन्नाः श्रियमणि शमन्. Can you say that akkada?
So generally when ha is followed by na sound or ma sound, we will say the nasal sound first followed by ha. Actually in the script you will see mahanaya, but when you are saying it, it will be manhaya. This is the pronunciation understanding. Generally whenever Brahma, instead of saying Brahma, you will say Brahma. Just like that, here also, instead of saying Mahanaya, you will say Manhaya.
Mm.
So,
Shriyamani.
Shriyam, Anisham, Ahnaya, which is like Anhaya, Dadatau. Your feet gives, Shriyam is well-being, wealth, Anisham, limitlessly, Anhaya, very quickly, no waiting. Shambhu means waiting. Devi means no waiting. Daridrevyo Bhadram. Bhadram is also auspiciousness. When somebody, Daridra means don't think only poor people, railway platform people only, na. Daridra is anybody who has a dearth. Anybody. Be it Bhava Daridra, or even if you are a millionaire, you want billion, you are a Daridra eva. There is nothing like you have $1 million, so you are not a Daridra, na. When you want more, it's like rich is not the person who has more, but rich is a person who needs less. So here Devi is taking care of all Daridras. दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्रां श्रियमनिशमन्हाय ददतौ
दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्राम् श्रियमणि शमन्हाय ददतौ.
So when Madhu's train is going well, she's doubting, is it going well and coming back? It was going very well. You pulled it back. दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्रां श्रियमनिशमन्हाय ददतौ
दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्राम् श्रियमणि शमन्हाय ददतौ.
फलानि स्वस्थेभ्यः किसलयकराग्रेण ददतां दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्रां श्रियमनिशमन्हाय ददतौ
फलानि स्वस्थेभ्यः किसलयकराग्रेण ददताम् दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्राम् श्रियमणि शमन्हाय ददतौ.
नखैर्नाकस्त्रीणां करकमलसङ्कोचशशिभिः तरूणां दिव्यानां हसत इव ते चण्डिचरणौ फलानि स्वस्थेभ्यः किसलयकराग्रेण ददतां दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्रां श्रियमनिशमन्हाय ददतौ
नखैर्नाकस्त्रीणां करकमलसङ्कोचशशिभिः तरूणां दिव्यानां हसत इव ते चण्डिचरणौ फलानि स्वस्थेभ्यः किसलयकराग्रेण ददताम् किसलयकराग्रेण
No. Kisalaya is like young shoots sprouting buds like that. Kisalaya karagrena dadatam.
किसलयकराग्रेण ददतां दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्राम्. I put the Mahaprana for the दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्रां श्रियमनिशमन्हाय ददतौ.
Beautiful, beautiful. So, these shlokas, just because you are saying it wrong now, doesn't mean you will say it right later. Just because you are saying right now, doesn't mean you will say it wrong later. It depends on our alertness when we are saying it. Make sure, especially Bhadra, Gadha, or Badha, any of these, Vipada, Kathina, Katham, all these where the Mahaprana is landing, please make sure. Otherwise, for now, it may look like you're doing it right. When the time comes, you may slip. So you want to make sure every time you look at it, it is the first time you are doing it.
Akka, one quick question. Nakai is nail. Naka is what you said?
Swargam, Nakam.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's do group chanting.
करकमलसङ्कोचशशिभिः तरुणाभिवन्दनां ससैवती चरणौ फलानि स्वस्तेभ्यः प्रलयकराग्रेणदतां दरिद्रेभ्यो भद्रां प्रियमन्यमन्हाय ददतौ.
Everybody is clear about the rule of ha followed by nasal sound pronunciation, right? So you will also see this in Vanhi, Vahni Mandala Madhyaga. You will say Vanhi Mandala Madhyaga in Lalita Sahasranamam as well. Wherever you see ha followed by na or ma or any of these nasal sounds, generally that is the convention. Astu. Now I think it is Bhavani Akka. All right, let's do. So this is also still we are at Devi's feet, and how if Devi's feet are like a bouquet of flowers, then generally all the bees will go there. So with my Panchendriyas and Buddhi, may I also. Insects means generally they will have 6 legs. Shat Charana generally. So here with my Panchendriyas and my Buddhi or Manas, I am the one who is like a Shat Charana. I want to come to your feet. Mandara Pada. Okay. And in this also you will see Anhaya coming again, Anisham coming again. So I will go through few important words in this. Amandam. Amandam is quickly. Again, she is the one who will give it very quickly. And Saundaryam. Shriyam, Anisham, again it is coming. There is nothing, no match to Devi. Dadane Deenebhyaha. Who is a Deena? Anybody who is unfulfilled is a Deena. Until what you want. Be it a little candy like a little kid, or be it Mercedes or rocket ship. It doesn't matter. Until you get what you want, you are a Deena Eva. Dadane Deenebhyaha श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम् अमन्दं सौन्दर्यप्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबकसुभगे यातु चरणे निमज्जन्मज्जीवः करणचरणषट्चरणताम्. So you will have anas here. Karana, charana, rolling anas. Followed by shanmukha sha. So charanashtatcharanatam. Bhavani Akka is smiling. Should I land on this? Yes, I should land on this. Don't worry, Akka. You also have the Milikesha. Shankarashas are also there to test you in the second line. ददाने दीनेभ्यः
ददाने दीनेभ्यः
श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम्
सदृशीम्
तत्र महाप्राण नास्ति.
माशानुसदृशीम्
ददानि दीनेभ्यः श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम्
ददाने दीनेभ्यः श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम्.
In your Telugu scripts, there might be na ki na. Remove one.
Yes.
Na.
Okay.
Remove.
Even in Devanagari it is there.
Remove the extra na there.
Where
No, you are not. Are you reading the script or a book?
book?
That's why. The script that was given in the class has that.
Okay.
Dadane dinebhyah. So in your script it will be Shriyamanisha, but it is Shriyamanisha Mashanusadrishim.
ददाने दीनेभ्यः श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम्.
Amandam Saundarya.
अमन्दं सौन्दर्य.
One more doubt, Akka. In the script, it says Sadrishi, and then there is a hyphen. The next one is a Mamandam. It should become Sadrishihi and Amandam, right?
Sadrishim. Ma is becoming and a.
Oh, Sadrishim. Okay. I wrote it as Sadrishihi.
Somebody is a Visarga lover here. I also used to do that, thinking, whenever the sa is becoming Visarga, if teacher said that anytime there is a line, I will put, okay, I will do whatever I want. When I see a line, I will put Visarga eva. It's like, it feels good that I'm not the only one who did that. Amandam Saundarya.
अमन्दं सौन्दर्य.
Akaramakarandam Vikirati.
प्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति.
Bhargavi, all your thus are corrected by now, but the second line, make sure alpa prana eva when you are doing all your thus. Amandam Saundarya Prakaramakarandam Vikirati.
अमन्दं सौन्दर्य प्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति.
Tavasmin Mandara.
तवास्मिन् मन्दार.
Stabaka Subhage Yatu Charane.
तबक सुभगे यातु चरणे.
Now we are going to do all of it in one go, Akka. Samasta padam asti tatra. Tavasmin mandara stabaka subhage yatu charane. We'll say it in one. Tavasmin mandara stabaka subhage yatu charane.
तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबक सुभगे यातु चरणे.
Nimajjanmajjivah.
నిమజ్జన్మజ్జీవః.
నిమజ్జన్మజ్జీవః భవసాగరంలో మునిగి తేలిపోతున్న వాళ్ళు. తేలడం అంటూ ఉండదు, మునుగుతున్న వాళ్ళే. నిమజ్జన్మజ్జీవః.
నిమజ్జన్మజ్జీవః.
కరణచరణః.
కరణచరణః.
షట్చరణతాం.
షట్చరణతాం.
Now we are going to combine both. Visarga is going to become half sha. Karanacharana षट्चरणताम्.
करणचरण चरणताम्
Again.
करण कर करणश करणचरणः करणचरणः षट्चरणताम्
Shatcharanataam are the honeybees. Because her Tavasmin Mandaras Tabaka Subhage, he is calling her O Subhage, the one who bestows auspiciousness. Her feet are like the Mandaras Tabaka, which is oozing the Makaranda. So Mandaras Tabaka is bouquet of Mandara flowers. And the bees are coming. That bee is me. I am the bee coming to your feet that is oozing Makaranda, and I am the honeybee. Tavasmin mandarastabaka subhage yatu charane nimajjanmajjivaha karanacharanatam.
तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबकसुभगे यातु चरणे निमज्जन्मज्जीवः करणचरणः षट्चरणताम्
ददाने दीनेभ्यः श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम् अमन्दं सौन्दर्यप्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबकसुभगे यातु चरणे निमज्जन्मज्जीवः करणचरणः षट्चरणताम्.
ददाने दीनेभ्यः श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम् अमन्दं सौन्दर्यप्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबकसुभगे यातु चरणे निमज्जन्मज्जीवः करणचरणः षट्चरणताम्.
In the second line, Saundaryam na Saundarya eva.
Thank you.
All right, let's do group chanting.
ददानीभ्यः प्रियमाशानुसदृशीम्
आमन्दं सौन्दर्यप्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबकसुभगे चरणे निमज्जन्मज्जीवः
Please make sure your Mahapranas and Alpa Pranas are also important. Just because they're Alpa doesn't mean they're any less. Mahaprana means just because they're Mahaprana, we don't use it all the time. Vada. You want to say something, but you will kill something if you use it in the wrong place. So please make sure, especially in the second line, Amandam, Saundaryam, Makarandam, Eva. Stabhakana, Stabhakana. Simple, everything. Stabhaka, Makaranda, like that. Simple. And Mahapranasti chet Mahaprana.
Akka, what's the meaning of Makara? It's coming so many times in this.
Makara means crocodile, but Makaranda means honey.
Oh.
Makara Kundalavan. Vishnu is Makara Kundalavan. In the Surya Narayana Murti, Savitri Mandala, they will say he is Keyura Makara Kundalavan. He has the shape of crocodile, shaped earrings he has. So Makara Rasi is also, Makara Sankramanam, when that happens in Capricorn, it is crocodile.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right, it is your turn, Amma, now, Shobha. So 91st shloka, this is a beautiful shloka talking about Devi's gait when she is walking, how beautiful it will be. So if a Hamsa goes, how Hamsa moves, Devi is also, when she is walking, it is so beautiful. Hamsa Nadaka is what they say. Generally, when something is so beautifully gating, it is like a swan. However, when Devi is walking, her anklets are making that sound, right? That tuck, 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 but in a beautiful jing, 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 jing. So the Kalahamsas, which are like the royal swans, they do not want to leave Devi's palace because they are being trained by Devi on how to walk. Hamsas are getting the gate from Devi. Devi's gate is not a Hamsa Nadaka. The Hamsas are being trained by Devi's gate. They are the ones who are learning how to walk like that. Subhaga Mani Manjira Ranitaha, from the sound of the manjiras, which is like the anklets. They do not want to leave. They do not want to leave Devi's palace. They want to be in the Devi's palace only to master how to walk so gracefully. पदन्यास क्रीडा परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः स्खलन्तस्ते खेलं भवनकलहंसा न जहति अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः छलादाचक्षाणं चरणकमलं चारुचरिते. Sometimes the poets, when they use the words, only if we have time, if we can spend million ways of interpreting might come. Charita means moving. Charita also means nadaka and nadata. Character is also charita. When somebody has good character, you will say Satcharitra asti, like that, Satcharitram asti. Now he is using the word charu charite. Which one should you take? The one with beautiful gait or the one with beautiful character? You can use both. How he is using that charu charite is very beautiful here. So when we are learning, we will stop, Amma, at the 6th syllable. But when we are saying it, first entire line, Eka Samasta Padameva. Padanyasa Krida.
Padanyasa Krida.
परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः.
परिचयमिवारब्धु मनः.
परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः.
परिचयमि
महाप्राण.
परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः. Akka, can you repeat it?
परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः.
परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः.
मिवारब्धु मनसः.
परिचयमिवारब्धु.
ABDHU.
Varabdhu manasa. Varabdhu manasa. Parichayamivarabdhu manasaha. Parichayamivarabdhu manasaha.
Padanyasa Krida Parichayamivarabdhu manasaha.
Padanyasa Krida Parichayamivarabdhu manasaha.
Skhalantaste Khelam.
Skalanteste Khelam.
Na, Khelam na, la. Skhalantaste Khelam.
Skalantaste Khelam.
Simple la.
Khelam.
Both of them are Mahapranas. Easy for you. Shobha gets Mahapranas easily. Alpa Pranas is the problem.
That is the problem. Akka, la is only la, right? Not
no role in la.
Yeah. Skalantaste Khelam.
Kelam.
Kelam.
Khel.
Kelam.
So where is the word Hindi khel coming from? Samskrita khela. It's krida. Game. Khel. Khelam.
Kelam.
Bhavana kalahamsana jahati.
Bhavana kalahamsana jahati.
If viewers wants, we will also not leave, right? We will also be there only to see how she is walking, and continuous training. Eva. Training never gets done. We'll be in training all the time. Skalantaste khelam bhavana kalaham sana jahati.
Skalantaste kelam bhavana kalahamsana jahati.
पदन्यास क्रीडा परिचयमिवारब्धुमनसः स्खलन्तस्ते खेलं भवनकलहं सा न जहति
पदन्यासक्रीड परिचयमिवारब्धु मनसः स्खलन्तस्ते खेलं भवनकलहं सा न जहति.
So to walk like Devi when they are in training, they are slipping and tripping. Skalan, they are slipping. The Hamsas are not able to walk like Devi, they are slipping. Atastesham shiksham
अतस्तेषां शिक्षां
सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः
सुभगमनिमञ्जीररणितः रणितः
अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः
अस्तेषां शिक्षा
अतस्तेषाम् अतः means therefore अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः
अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणिता
रणितः
रणितः.
Now the one cha became visarga in the end of third line. So now chalada chakshanam.
Chalada chakshanam.
Did I hear cha or cha ki cha?
I'm trying to.
Chakshanam.
I know I'm trying to, but
No, I'm
Chalada
thinking I did not hear it right. I did not know.
chakshanam. Still not getting akka?
Chalat achakshanam. So they are their gate. Chalada chakshanam.
Chalada chakshanam.
That achakshanam is the instruction. Charana kamalam charu charite. All chas very simple in the second part. Charana kamalam charu charite.
Charana kamalam charu charite.
Chalada chakshanam charana kamalam charu charite.
Chalada chakshanam charana kamalam charu charite.
अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः छलादाचक्षाणं चरणकमलं चारुचरिते
अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः चलादाचक्षाणं चरणकमलं चारुचरिते.
पदन्यासक्रीडापरिचयमिवारब्धुमनसः स्खलन्तस्ते खेलं भवनकलहं सा न जहति. अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः छलादाचक्षाणं चरणकमलं चारुचरिते
पदान्यासक्रीडा
पदान पदन्यास
पदन्या पदन्यासक्रीडा परिचयमिवारब्धुमनुसाः
स्खलन्
स्खलन्तस्तिखिलं भवनकलहं सा न जहति अतस्तेषां शिक्षां सुभगमणिमञ्जीररणितः चलादाचक्षाणं चरणकमलं चारुचरिते.
beautiful. All right, let's do group chanting.
क्रीडा
अतस्तेषां शिक्षां चरणकमलं चारुचरिते
चरिते
All right. We will look into the 92nd shloka now. This is Panchapreta Sanasina Pancha Brahma Swarupini. This is the shloka for 92nd. My teacher tells me this is a very powerful shloka.
Akka, I didn't do today.
Astu, now you will do it. Chandana, Tulasi, you said both Chandanas are done, so I
Sorry, somehow I thought, sorry.
No
Chandana.
problem, no problem. I got my turn. That's okay.
Somehow,
We
oh
got
my
for a
God.
powerful one.
I
That's
heard
fine.
you. I don't know. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
So one of the slokas when we are chanting, only we can hear her. Nobody else was
yes,
heard.
yes,
Maybe that
yes.
is why she got
Yeah.
confused.
In the group chant, for some reason today I heard only Chandanas, nobody. And I'm like, okay, looks like it is right. I did not know.
Devi didn't have turn for a long time.
Devi, she knows why. Just because she has Devi's name, she is being pardoned. She has that
Oh, she
special.
can do Akka. That's fine. I forgot all are done. I thought I
No. I'm
We
just
still have
teasing
2
you.
more shlokas. We'll do until 93. 93 is your shloka, Devi. That's my personal favorite.
Okay, Akka, thank you.
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया शरीरी शृङ्गारः रस इव दृशां दोग्धिकुतुकम् गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं
द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः
द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः.
I'm so glad today people are asking because you have today and tomorrow only. After that, there is no asking. At least in the last 2 days, my Devis are opening their mouth and talking to me. गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः
शिवस्वच्छाया
शिवस्वच्छाया
घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः
घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः.
So this is a very interesting line for many of you. where Mahaprana is there, where Mahaprana is not there, you have to pay attention to it. Astu va? So, Swachchachaya Mahaprana asti. Prachhadapataha Mahaprana asti. Ghatita Mahaprana asti. But ta, ta, ka, pa should not get any Mahapranas there. But they will get. So, you want to make them Alpa Pranas in this shloka. शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः
शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः
त्वदीयानां भासां
त्वदीयानां भासां
प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया
प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया
त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया
त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया
शरीरे शृङ्गारः
It says shariri.
Did I say shariri or not?
Maybe I didn't hear correctly.
शरीरे शृङ्गारः
Shariri shringarah.
रस इव दृशां दोग्भिकुतुकम्
Rasa iva drisham dogdhikutukam.
Dogdhi means I am feeling. I think like that. Manye, shanke, I conjecture, I guess like that. So I will tell only the brief outline of this meaning. When Devi is sitting like a Tripura Sundari in her Simhasana, Panchabrahma Sanastita, let me look at my hand. Shambhu is shown as one of the part of her mancham, as if she is sitting on Shambhu or in the lap of Shambhu is what you will see. Shambhu is generally white or transparent in depiction. However, he is very red right now in that because the redness of Devi is reflecting on Shambhu and the romantic red color is giving that brilliant hue to him that he is no more looking white anymore. Okay. त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया शरीरे शृङ्गारः रसैव दृशां दोग्धिकुतुकम्
त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया शरीरे शृङ्गारः रस इव दृशां दोग्धिकुतुकम्
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया शरीरे शृङ्गारः रसैव दृशां दोग्धिकुतुकम्
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं द्रुहिणहरिरुद्रेश्वरभृतः शिवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः त्वदीयानां भासां प्रतिफलनरागारुणतया शरीरे शृङ्गारः रस इव दृशां दोग्धिकुतुकम्
Very beautiful, very beautifully done.
Dogdi Mahaprana for the, right?
The na. I mean the second the. To the second the. All right. Please go. Group chanting.
गतास्ते मञ्चत्वं दृढेन हरिहरितश्रुतः विवस्वच्छाया घटितकपटप्रच्छदपटः त्वदीयां भासां प्रतिपदनरागारुणतया शरीरीश्वरः दृशां दोऽधिकौतुकम्
Please work on your Mahapranas in the third line, second line. Second line, Mahapranas. Amma Devi, you ready? My last bencher, but somehow she is brilliant in chanting. What to do? If I say, if you come late like Devi, this is how you will chant, I want to show. But what is the thing I can do? If you come late, you will chant well. That is what I have to show as example. You keep me in trouble. All right. So this is a beautiful shloka, my personal favorite, because this is talking about Shambhu's compassion. If it takes a form, that redness is Devi. Jayati Karuna Kachidaruna. Like that. Jagatratum Shambhoho Jayati Karuna Kachidaruna. That's the fourth line that makes it my favorite. Arala Kesheshu Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite Shirisha Bhachitte Drishadupala Shobha Kuchatate Bhrisham Tanvi Madhye पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये जगत्रातुं शम्भोः जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा. So we are done with her Charucharite in 91. We were done with her gate. And then we saw her in 92 shloka as sitting like Bala Tripura Sundari, where her red, total red reflection is making Shambhu turn red. Now we are seeing her just like in the 7th shloka, we talked about Devi, Dhanu, Paushpam, Mauri, Madhukaramayi, Panchavishikhaha, that, and then how Kwanat, Kanchi, Dama, how she is sitting there in these two shlokas. We are seeing how she has Arala Kesheshu, little curly hair, and Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite. Mandahasite is with a gentle smile. Shirisha Bha, like the redness of the flower. Chitte. Drishadupala Shobha Kuchatate, with a pot-like breasts. Brisham Tanvi Madhye, how her waist is so slender. And like that, top to bottom, she, everything is described in one shloka. But the last line will says, to protect the world, if Shambhu's compassion takes a form of redness, it is Devi. She is sitting like that with the red tint, which is nothing but Shambhu's compassion. Arala Kesheshu
Arala Kesheshu
Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite.
Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite.
So Prakriti Sarala means by nature, naturally it is occurring. Some people, all the models you will see, right, when they try to smile, all the made up smiles. This is not made up smile. Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite, her smile is very natural. Natural. Arala Kesheshu Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite.
Arala Kesheshu Prakriti Sarala Mandahasite.
Shirisha Bhachitte.
Shirisha Bhachitte.
After seeing this shloka, Shirisha is a flower. But our many of our friends, we will call them Sirisha. We don't say Shirisha. That's a very difficult name. After this, I'm like, I don't know how to call my friend. I will go, okay. Outside Saundarya Lahari, you are Sirisha eva. But it is Shirisha. Shanmuka sha api asti. Shirisha bhachitte.
शिरीषाभाचित्ते
दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे.
दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे.
I see Shobha putting a line under that. She's underlining. My name came here. शिरीषाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे.
शिरीषाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे.
अरालाकेशेषु प्रकृतिसरला मन्दहसिते. शिरीषाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे.
अरालाकेशेषु प्रकृतिसरला मन्दहसिते. शिरीषाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे.
भृशं तन्वी मध्ये
भृशं तन्वी मध्ये
पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये.
पृथुररसिजारोह पृथुररसिजारोह विषये.
Urasi means thighs. पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये.
पृथुररसिजारोह विषये.
I'm hearing rarasi, urasi. पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये.
पृथुररसिजारोह विषये.
My last venture showed her trait today. Urasi, rarasina, rurasi.
Oh, I mean, you're hearing rarasi, Akka?
Am I the only one hearing that?
Pruthuraras. Oh, okay. I think I'm putting extra. Okay, sorry. Pruthuru rasijaroha vishaye.
Only for learning you stop there and say rasi, but it is urasi.
Okay.
Pruthuru rasijaroha vishaye.
पृथुरु रसिजारोह विषये.
जगत्रातुं शम्भोः.
जगत्रातुं शम्भोः.
जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
जगत्रातुं शम्भोः. जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
जगत्रातुं शम्भोः. जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
भृशं तन्वी मध्ये पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये. जगत्रातुं शम्भोः. जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
भृशं तन्वी मध्ये पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये. जगत्रातुं शम्भोः. जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
पृथु प अस्ति तत्र प्रवीण प. भ्रूण.
पृथुररसि.
ररसि न उरसि.
पृथुरुरसि. Okay.
But we are only saying rasi while learning. Urasi. Rurasi.
Rurasi.
अराला केशेषु प्रकृतिसरला मन्दहसिते. शिरीषाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे. भृशं तन्वी मध्ये पृथुरुरसिजारोह विषये. जगत्रातुं शम्भोः जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा
अरालाकेशेषु प्रकृतिसरला मन्दहसिते शिरीषाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुचतटे भृशं तन्वी मध्ये पृथुररसिजारोहविषये भृशं तन्वी मध्ये पृथुरुरसिजारोहविषये जगत्रातुं शम्भोः जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा.
How beautifully you went and corrected that Urasi. Very nice. Good. All right, let's do group chanting.
Thank you.
अरालाकेशेषु प्रकृतिसरलमन्दे शाभाचित्ते दृशदुपलशोभाकुशे तन्वीमध्येरुहविषये जयति करुणा काचिदरुणा
So in the third line, because the pr and thu they are next to each other, one is ritvam, one is utvam. So when you are saying it, it will look as if you are saying pru, but it is pruthu, like that. Pruthu, ru, like that. You are continuing your u with ru also after that. So for few times it will be little again same drisha dupala shobha kuchatate. There also ritvam followed by upala, like that. Will have to continue. So just pay attention to those two places. It will take little awareness and alertness in the first 2 to 3 times you are doing that particular shloka. Astu. All right. With this, we will have last 7 verses for Devi tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to talk about cosmetic box of Devi. She has a small box like our little makeup kit, like that. She also has one arranged by Brahma. So we will look into how it is arranged by Brahma and why. Astuva. And 95th shloka. Generally, they say Phalastuti for different shlokas. I don't know why 95th is so powerful, but they say there is no Phalastuti that can be defined for 95th shloka. That will be coming up. And some batches take 30 plus minutes for that particular shloka. Some batches took 3 minutes. So now I am not sure where we will fall. So be ready for a good 2-hour thing, even though we have 7 shlokas eva. If 95th will take us a long time, then 100 will also go until 7 o'clock. So please, tomorrow being the culmination, we'd love to see all the Devis tomorrow. And let us offer our 100th shloka to Devi tomorrow successfully. So